Alright, so in this video, we're going to talk about the little minute edits that you need to make in ClickFunnels and how to work with their builder. Now what I will say is that their builder is very intricate, so it's going to take a little bit of trial and error and some time to learn it. But when you're in your funnels, and again, to access your funnels, you can just highlight the little ClickFunnels tab up here and click on Funnels, then click on Super Affiliate Guild Pages. Now, let's just say you want to edit this particular funnel, okay? I'm going to click on right over here, Edit Page. Or this particular page in the funnel. You click on Edit Page. Now when you click Edit Page, you'll have the ability to edit literally everything. But really quickly, I'm not going to touch this page just because I don't want to ruin anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Clone Funnel Step. I can also delete this step from the funnel. I can also remove this from the funnel completely, and it'll put it in the other funnel steps. But I'm going to click Clone Funnel Step so I can have this as a test page. Now when I create a new step in the funnel, I have the ability to click on Publishing. So if I click on Publishing, it lets me edit the settings. So test example page, and then the path, what the path is something you don't need to worry about because we're using the SiteGround with WordPress. So I'm just going to do test example path just for this, but you can see that the page is now test example path down here. So I'm going to click on Edit Page once I'm here. And I'm going to show you some things that we need to edit and some of the key elements you need. So one of the key elements you need is in Settings SEO Metadata. This is the headline of the page. So if somebody shares it, this is what they'll see. And the image, you can put a page image. So if they share it on social media, it'll appear with this image and the headline, and it'll look like this. The image you can go ahead and get from like Shutterstock, or you can create a custom image, whatever it is. So then we have these elements, okay? So we have images, we have rows, we have columns. There's a lot that goes on in here. But what I'm going to say is that this, again, isn't a full-blown ClickFunnels tutorial. You can go into ClickFunnels, watch all the tutorials to show you how to use it. But if you were to just click in here, you can start typing away on whatever you want, okay? So that's how you do that. And if you want to, let's just say, change the bold color, you hover over this, and where it turns orange, but you hover over the text, you click on the little settings icon, and then you could change the bold color, the text color, the mobile size, all of that. Then down here, same thing. You click on the image. You can go ahead and change the image just by pasting the image in here or clicking the little image button and uploading the image that you want. So if you were to click the image, you just click upload, or you drag and drop right up here, and then you double click on the image that you want. And then it'll appear. So same thing with right here. You could double click. You can put whatever you want. Same here. You could literally click wherever you want and edit everything as you see fit. The buttons, you click on the button, click on Set Action, open the pop-up, or it goes to a certain website. So it can be whatever you want. So let me just reset that, open the pop-up. Same thing with an image. You can set the action. Link URL, if you were to have nothing there, you can just click in it and just have open pop-up. It'll show you the option. Now for the pop-up. The pop-up's up here where you can click Show Pop-up. And then you can edit everything. If you click the little plus icon, you can add in a headline, you can add in a sub-headline, so you can add in a headline over here and start typing away, right? Very easy to edit. Now again, like I said, creating an entire ClickFunnels walkthrough on how to edit everything with columns and sections and all, it's not part of the curriculum. It's completely a waste of my time, and honestly, ClickFunnels explains it way better. And the other thing that you have to keep in mind is that you have to play around with it. Literally, the only way for you to get used to something, the way that I learned ClickFunnels, was actually using it every single day, diving into it, and getting used to all the page elements. Then at the bottom, you have the text over here. If you want to edit anything in the text, again, hover over, click Settings. You can move the text font as you see fit. And if you want to see what it looks like in mobile, click the little mobile button view up here, right? And then this is what it looks like on mobile. So let's just say you wanted to edit the mobile text only of the headline. You click on Settings, then where it says Mobile Size, remove mobile font size. It will not scale down to smaller devices. What you want to do is the following. Click on Mobile Size, and it'll adjust to 19. But it only shows 19 on mobile. On desktop, it shows regular. So you can see on regular it's 56, but mobile is 19. So you can set different aspects. You could set different settings for mobile and desktop. You can have certain items show on mobile and you can have certain items show on desktop only, which again, you probably won't use, but it's okay. But the whole point of me showing you this is because I want you to get into these funnels and I want you to quickly use them. Like I want you to just go out there and get started right away. These pages in these funnels, all you need to edit is the text, the copy. So what's being said on the pages. And we'll talk about copy in a different video or a different section. But if everybody uses the same pages, there's going to be a heck of a lot of competition. So the only way to differentiate yourself is to go and change the image and just change the copy that's on the page. And more people change the copy and convert better than I do. And some people change the copy and convert less. So that's why I'm always a big advocate on cloning the funnel step, cloning the first page, because you have that as a premise, a basis. And then you can build other pages with other text, other images, and test them against mine. So the other thing I want to show you is if you go back to edit page, what you're able to do is you're able to go ahead and hover over settings, tracking code. In your header, this is where your Facebook pixel will go. Okay, this is where the Facebook pixel will go. You don't need to worry about footer. Even though it says Facebook pixel in here, I don't want you to connect your Facebook account. Okay, the reason being is because you might be using different Facebook accounts and it's not feasible to connect only one because you might get banned. And again, you don't need to worry about what I just said. Just know that you're not going to be using that. So again, that's pretty much everything that I wanted to cover when it comes down to editing your particular ClickFunnels pages. If you want to learn a lot more, you can go to their help and you can ask them any type of questions that you have. So funnels, I'm pretty sure they have a location to learn how to build funnels rather easily. So you can go to help, get help. They have a live chat, and you can even ask their live chat if they have a source to learn how to build and use their funnel builder more in depth if you're interested on that. So that's how you use ClickFunnels in a nutshell. And like I said before, we're not going to go too in depth on the nitty-gritty nuances because all these pages are going to be handed to you. All you have to do is edit the text and test different pages. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.